थोड़ा सा नहीं, ये तो नहीं था। एवरी सीजन की बोला, इतना याद है मुझे। Hey everyone, it's your girl Pranvi Arora and welcome to Love It Listed. Today I'm stepping into a dream. We are at the Fiabas Cafe, a place that's redefining romance with the magical love showers. And trust me, it's the most trendy Valentine's Day experience you don't want to miss.
Our story go. You're all I wanna know. We're gonna be alright. I'm yours, you're mine. Our love is once in a lifetime. We're gonna be alright, even on the line, 'cause our love is once in a lifetime. I said it once, I'll say it time and again. You, my love, I'll be yours till the end. And so our story goes.
Hi, this is Chef Shivani, an IT professional turned patisserie chef. So this is Fiaba, which has been my dream come true. The idea behind Fiaba and the name comes from an Italian word, which means dreamy place.
Once in a lifetime, we're gonna be alright, even on the line, 'cause our love is once in a lifetime.
So I think we have done justice based on the design of Fiaba. It looks very dreamy. The entire theme is pink in color, keeping the context to the terminology of Fiaba. And we have tried every cuisine to again be as pretty as possible in order to justify the name Fiaba.
Where you go,
Me and my husband Param, we both were there, out overseas. We saw a restaurant and we were like that, yes, if at all we will open a food restaurant, it should look like that. And the entire theme that we have designed of it is inspired by that food out that we've seen. We have to reinvent things in order to give our patrons a new feel and keep this place revived by its true sense that it should be as romantic as it can be. With romance, I think Valentine is the most sought after event that comes all around the year, and we want to make it very extra special for our customers. I had a wonderful experience in Paris a few years back, and I ate there a special dish known as flammkuchen. So flam is actually a flatbread. It is very different from pizza, but a family of pizza. So that is a USP here. What set us apart is that we want to give the guest an experience where they can make their loved ones feel extra special by our ultimate decorations that we have made. We are offering a shower of rose petals and also a very interesting bubble experience which will make this place very Insta worthy. Couples and the families can come here and enjoy the exclusive food range that we have, covering the variety of foods from Asian and European food to Indian cuisine that we are offering. Along with something for kids as well, we have our special gelatos which are home baked. So for Valentine, we have an exclusive range of cakes, pastries, and also the cookies that we are introducing, and a whole range of desserts. So do visit us for having a wholesome experience that includes not only an exclusive range of food, but also experience that will be everlasting.
Oh my god, guys, this place is famous for their cakes and macaroons. So I'm gonna try this beautiful strawberry and chocolate covered macaroon for you all. The white looks so good. Oh my god, guys, look at this table. It's so colorful. The pesto pasta looks amazing. The boba tea looks amazing. And I'm in love with this beautiful bright pink color mocktail I got. It's called Berry Strawberry. It's beautiful. And let's dig in. Okay guys, so we have cuisine from all over the world. And this is the Asian beautiful dim sums. Look at this. And this is like Italian, as we all know, pesto pasta, everyone's favorite. And this is a beautiful pizza, half pesto and half tandoori. Okay guys, let's dig in. We'll start with the Asian, my favorite, dim sums. So the flavors are coming through. It's very flavorful, very amazing. I think we can go on to the Italian pasta. I love to try with a little bit of garlic bread. Let's take a good big bite. Creamy as always. Let's try some Indian cuisine as well. Some paneer tikka and some dahi ke kebab. Let's try a little bit of it. Let's try it. The flavor of the charcoal is coming through and it's amazing. I love a little toasty paneer tikka. I would love to try their pizza as well. I have heard a lot about their Napoleon pizza. I'm gonna try this pesto pizza. Here I go. I think they have put some truffle oil on it as well because it's so. I don't even mind the broccolis in it because it's so good. I love the cherry tomatoes, obviously. So good. I love the crust. Look at the crust, guys. It's so beautiful. And thin slice, not very heavy on the tummy. And still very, very, very flavorful. Guys, I'm a non-vegetarian and my no meals is complete without chicken. So, I'm gonna have this beautiful chicken burger. Let's try to have a good, decent bite and try to look glamorous while having it. Will you love it and book your tables now? Or will you listen and miss out on this magical moment? I say love it. Happy Valentine's Day from me to you. Bye-bye.